You're gonna stand there, owning a fireworks stand, and tell me you don't have no whistling bungholes, cherry bombs, nipsy-daisers, scooter stick, or one single whistling kitty chaser?
No. Because snakes and sparklers are the only ones I like.
It's not what you like, it's the consumer.
I got these 2 sticks.
Oh, dang, these are yours? These are Roman candles, brother. This is good stuff. Stand full lighter fluid. Yeah. You know what we need? Gasoline. Yeah. Breakfast of champions. Yeah, jam that in the gas bucket. Yeah. We'll shoot fireballs at it. Yeah. We gotta step way back. It's gonna be fun. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. I'm looking for righteously kick ass.